channel. My name is Ellen Risha. This is my son Kellen. Kellen is 5 months old, so next month we will be starting solids. So today we are gonna cook him some baby food. Really excited. Today I picked a very nutritious recipe. We are gonna cook sweet potato, apple, and carrot, and we might season it with some cinnamon. So I chose those ingredients. I've been looking at different recipes because I'm a first-time mom and I'm really obviously invested in his health. So I wanted to make my own baby food, especially since it's so simple and pretty cost efficient. So for sweet potatoes, they have really good source of fiber, vitamin A, C, and E, so really good with immunity, especially right now with COVID and winter and everything. Apples are antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, so they're actually really good with building bones. And carrot, because it's really great in fiber, vitamin A, K, B6, and B6 is actually really good with gaining energy. So those are some of the great nutritional facts of the fruits and veggies that we picked. I already sliced and peeled the apple and sweet potato, so that's all ready. And then I have these little baby organic carrots that are already peeled and cut. So I'm gonna use about a cup of these. Yeah. Let's see how a cup of these look. Hey! Or probably 2 cups of these. Yeah. 2 cups of these little carrots. So I have the water boiling already. Alright, yeah. So we'll do 2 cups of these carrots. Mix up the medley. And just add it to the water. I have about 2 to 3 inches of water in the pot. So we are just gonna boil these until they're soft. Oh, that one had a piece of coal. We are gonna let these boil. So right now looks real nice. So we're gonna cover these and let these boil. So it should take like 15-20 minutes, but I'm really not too sure because it is my first time. And right now I do have Kellen's milk defrosting, and this is the Grownzy bottle warmer and it works for several good options. You could fast defrost things, which is what I usually do. There's a milk option, a food option, and a sterilized option, so that's very useful when you need to warm things up for him. So while that's cooking, I'll show you what I'm going to store his food in. These were on my baby registry. They're the OXO Tot 12-piece baby bundle. So you get 6 containers. So it comes in a tray with a tray like this. So you have 6 containers that are 2 ounces, and then you get 4 containers that are 4 ounces. So these I already used for his oatmeal. Right now he eats oatmeal 1 serving a day, so these are really good for that. So I'm gonna use these for the food today. Should come up to about 12 ounces. I feel like I might have more, but I definitely want to order these. These are really easy to stack up in the freezer. And then cool thing about it is you pop it open, and I don't know if you can tell, but it has like a way that it's lifted here, so you could actually like steam it. When you're cooking it, you could warm it up, you could have it steaming. So I think that's really cool for defrosting purposes. So yeah, we are going to let this cook, and then we will continue. Oh, and so I'm gonna move Kel into the other room because with puree, he hates the sound. He gets really upset, and I know you don't want to see a crying baby. So the food is nice and bold. Everything is really soft. Kellen's now in his playpen, so you may hear his toys. So now we are going to drain. So when you mix the food, you can use this leftover water. It has a lot of vitamins in this water. You can use this water, breast milk, or formula. Today I will be using breast milk, but all this water here I'm gonna save, and I'll actually use it for my smoothies today. But for Kellen's baby food, I will put breast milk in there. 6 ounces of breast milk. This is an Avant container. I got it with the breast milk that was given. I really love these because they're stackable. You can stack like another one right on top of it. And these are real handy for when you just store something in the fridge. I do like the bags for like freezing purposes, but for when you're just storing in the fridge, those are really handy. So with this food here, I am going to blend in these cups. Okay, and then I'm going to pour a 1/4 cup of breast milk in there. And then after I puree it, I'll see if I need to add more or not. He's a little upset right now from the blender. But anyways, so the food actually took me 3 of these. So for every cup, I used a 1/4 cup of milk, and that gave me a really good consistency. So I'm just mixing it all here into this cup here. Really smooth puree, so really excited about that. Yeah, so for every cup of food, 1/4 cup of milk gave me this consistency. We actually have a lot of food. This was was 1 sweet potato, 2 apples, and 2 cups of carrots. So I have more food than what I can put into my little 6 containers, but that's all right. And so I'm just gonna mix this all together. And then I did want to put a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon in the mix. Just give it a little flavor. And then, so just a quarter teaspoon, not a lot at all. And then mix it up just to give it a little flavor. Ooh, yeah, I'm ready. Smell it. I'm telling you, motherhood is doing everything one-handed. Alright, so we got this really nice and mixed. I tasted that quarter teaspoon of cinnamon was a great idea. It really brought all the flavors together because I want him to have all the nutrition, but I also don't want him to hate it. So now I'm gonna put them in these little containers. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go over, but that is okay. Then we are gonna store these, and then when he turns 6 months in a few weeks, he will have them ready. And then if you're gonna freeze it, I just leave it a little bit of room at the top just because things expand when they freeze. Alright, so we are all done stuffing these containers. So I got all these containers stuffed. This is about 12 ounces, 2 ounces each container. And then I also had enough for all of this too. So I'd say it's about a cup and a half. I really can't tell you, but a lot of baby food. So I used 1 large sweet potato, 2 green apples, and 2 cups of carrots, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And that cinnamon really pulled it all together, because before I was like, meh. But yeah, so all this food, we're going to freeze it for him, and he'll have it fairly soon. And are you sleepy? And yeah, so hopefully he likes it. We have been introducing him to fruits with his fruit feeders. You put fruit in here, and they have like little holes, and he eats it through that. This is Baby Fruit Feeder by Nature Fun. These are really good. They have 3 different size nipples in there, so he just moved to the middle size. So he's had an introduction of some fruits, so hoping it all goes well. But thank you guys for watching. If you really liked the video, please like and subscribe. We'll be coming out with more recipes and mommy lifestyle blogs, and we'd love for you guys to join us on the adventure. Say hi, Kevin. Kevin. Say bye. He's over it. Bye.